What's up, credit family? It's your pops, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another video. And today we're going to discuss credit limit increase via the Chase app. Guys, Chase now has that you can do credit limit increases via their app. And guys, it's a soft pull. So they're not dinging your credit to request a credit limit increase. Guys, in the past, most of the credit limit increase, you got to call them up on the phone, and then they're going to run your credit, and your credit gets dinged, and you may or may not get that credit limit increase. But now, at least for me, I can do it via my app, and I've done it twice so far, and there's soft pull, so no ding on my credit. All right. So guys, when you get a chance, go into your Chase app and see if you have that option to request a credit limit increase. There's some language that says credit limit increase, and then in blue you can click it. It says request, and you just click and you can request a credit limit increase. At least for me, it's a soft pull. I've done it twice and it has not dinged my credit. That is great news. For I don't know if they're rolling this out for everybody or it's just on a limited circumstances, but for me, I can request credit limit increase via the app, and there's soft pull. That is great news. So hopefully this information was helpful. If it was, give me the old thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, smash it in fact. And that's all information I have for you guys today. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.